Start the second part, how we enter the data. I write some data here, roll numbers, and here first name, last name, and I write some names here. First we save our file, click on file. You can see here option save. Okay, and where you want to save, there are different folders that appear here. I click first folder, and here already name is book 2, so you finish this name and write Excel class 5. Okay, and save it. Now you can see this name is appear here. Now for roll number I write here 1 and here 2, and after this I don't write any other number. I just select this one, click here, and you can see this plus sign when appear, drag it. When you click on this corner, you can see this plus black sign is appear, drag it. How many numbers you need up to this, you can see this appear automatically. Okay, now these are on right hand side, so you click on here center, this become in the center. Okay, now this roll number and first name, last name, you want to bold this, so click on bold. Now you can see this become bold. You can also change these colors like like this one. Okay, this change. Now I use zoom, so this will be clear for you. Now you can see here. Okay, now again if this one, you can see. Okay, if you want this center, this become in the center, or this side. Okay, where you want. Okay, now you select these all cells and go here. You can see these borders appear, all borders or no borders. I select on all borders. You can see these all borders are appear. Okay, now again select this, and only you press your mouse, this will be selected. And if you want to change the color of all the cells, you can change it. Okay, this by selecting this cell color, this text color will be changed, but if you click on this, the background color will be changed. Okay, for example I select this one, so you can see background color change. And if you want any other change like this, you want these colors also change, both text and background, you select this and click on like any other color like this one, so you can see background color change. By clicking this, you can see text color will be changed. For example, if I select blue, this become blue color. Okay, in this way you can select color, enter data. Whenever I press here, you can see this appear in formula bar and its name appear in name box. Now another thing, here I select only 3 columns. If you select more columns, then you go on home tab. Here you can see in editing group, find and select. Click on that, find and select, and here you can see go to. Click on go to, and right here where you want to increase. For example, I want from A1 to and colon and suppose E8. Okay, so you can see these two columns, these two more columns are selected and up to E8. Okay, you can see this is name, you can see E8. Okay, now if you want to write anything, for example I write sports here, and here I write activity, and again change the colors. Select this both, here colors of the text, you can change this, bold it. Okay, and now you enter data here. For example, football, any other thing, like suppose if you want again football, I click on like this appear, and you click here, this appear automatically. Okay, and like cricket, and after this if I click on cricket, this appear again. I just click one time here, this appear automatically. Okay, like any other bar, like handball and click here, you write this appear here. Okay, here you write anything like badminton. Okay, here in activity you write like any other thing like painting. If I click on here, this appear again here, and photography. Okay, you again click here, this appear here. Okay, and suppose again I write this one, this appear here, and here you write again like painting, this appear here again. Okay, here you write suppose music. Okay, now you can see some your text is greater than these cells. So what you do, click here, you can see this shape is changed and drag it. This is enough, this size is small, so I drag it little bit here. So this you can see now first name, this is clear, and again drag it, disappear, last drag this, you can see the size is increased. And if you want to increase the size of this, you can select this, now the size is also increased. Okay, in this way you can enter the data, color change and size increase. In all worksheet, click here, and after this press your mouse and then this all will be selected. After selection you can do anything. For example, if you want to bold all the letters, press this 2 times, this will be bold, change its writing italic, this will be changed. And you can do anything. For example, I want to change the background color, click here and it's this color will be changed. Also I want to change this color, this press here and click here, this also change. Okay, another thing, this is this about contiguous cells. Contiguous cells means which are attached in a line. For example, these are contiguous cell and these are also. Okay, like if I say Mikhail and Anwar, these are not, but these are in a line, in a row or in a column. These are called contiguous cells, which are attached with one another, which have only one boundary. Like this have this boundary and this also has this same boundary. Okay, this is the last topic. I think you understand this all. This is very interesting. You can change anything from here, enter data and enter numbers here. I enter only numerical data and alphabets, but you can enter both type of data. For example, if I change this, I select here 1 2 3, this appear here also. Okay, I change here, but it's easy in formula bar like this one. So this will appear here and also in the cell. Okay, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.